Hello everyone, our today's topic is snowfall landscape in pencil shading and white poster colors. Let's see the material required for the drawing. Pencil, eraser, sharpener, brushes, white poster color, palette, scissor, bangle, toothbrush, masking tape, rough paper, A4 size drawing paper. So let's start. First we are going to stick the paper on drawing board from all the four sides with the masking tape. Then keep all the materials which are not using aside, and now take a bangle to draw on a circle on a paper which is a moon in our landscape. Now starts on a drawing with a 2B pencil. Drawing should be light. First we have to arrange a drawing on a paper properly. Whatever markings, whatever objects we are going to draw, first we arrange it properly and then we are going to start shading. This is our arrangement of the drawing on a paper. Roughly we are going to arrange on a drawing. Now we are going to take a 6B pencil directly for the tree. This is a Christmas tree which is mostly found in Icelands, Himalayas, Switzerland like areas. So first we shade this tree so that we can know how we shade a background. This is in a shape of our Christmas tree. Now we start rendering on a background. First with the 2B pencil we fill up all the papers with one shade, so that afterward we are gradually add on a darkness. We start with the 2B pencil, then take 4B, 6B, 8B, 10B, 12B pencils also, so that we can gradually increase on a darkness. We are showing on a moon here. This circle is in a moon and this is in a night view. So around this moon we are showing on a shading. Here we are increasing on a dark shades with the 12B pencils. Left hand side of the tree is a dark because this is an opposite side of the light, and obviously it is an extreme dark, so we are increasing the darkness with the 12B pencils and gradually we are adding a darkness, so we get a proper feel of the night view here. There are different types of the shadings and the techniques of the shadings. Some basic techniques are like scribbling technique, cross hatching technique, then dot techniques, then the basic techniques that we are going to use here, which is very much simple techniques we are using here. In such techniques we are going to follow the dimensions of the objects and the nature, and we shades on objects here. That's why I am follow the dimensions and directions of the trees, and we are follow our shading here. This is our all the trees we are showing and depth also, and for that I am taking 6B and 8B pencil. This is an Iceland. Full this land is in a white, but we are going to show some dimensions, light darkness here. That's why I am adding some shading here, so we can get some dimension, depth around it here. Now on a moon also we show some dimensions. Now the next step we are going to show the snowfall on this landscape, and for that here we are making on a same circle on a rough paper and cut it with the scissor. We are place it on this moon. Now we are taking on a white poster color for the spray painting. We are going to spray this color with the toothbrush and adding some dots on a paper so that we can show on a snowfall here. This is our snowfall we are showing here. This is a very much simple assignment of the pencil shading with the drawing pencils and poster colors. I hope you understand these demonstrations of these our simple pencil shading assignments. Combined with poster color, I am going to remove this masking tape. Thank you. Best of luck.